Brett. This is Emmanuel. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can use the measuring tool, which is a new feature in the new version 5.45. What I have here on the floor is just a corner base cabinet and two on each side of the wall. And one of the things that you want to make sure is to know is you can only use the measuring tool on the plan view, north, west, south, and east. You cannot use it on the axonometry, which is the 2D, or the perspective, which is the 3D. So the first thing I want to do is I can start with the plan view. All right. Now notice if I highlight any cabinet, I want to make sure this dimension is highlighted and all this highlighted. By the way, this toolbars, you can move them around just by holding them by this handle right here, and you can move them around if you need to create more space. I do that sometimes. Depending on the size of your screen, you can just move them around. Alright, so you look for this guys here. So this means you need to go to the view menu and click on dimensions so they're turned on. So now one of the cabinets is highlighted and they're on now. So now if I want to know how deep this cabinet is, I can just do that and it's showing me right there. I did it twice. Control Z still works, and I can do the width, same thing. If I want that one, same thing. If I want the whole thing like that, I can still get it just like that. Right now, of course, I can decide I don't want to see them, so I can just go to view, click on dimensions to turn them off, or I can just go back if I want to see them again. Just do that and I'll see them. Or I can take a snap of the first camera, just do the first one here. I can rename it, maybe rename it camera image 1, and then take another one. So now I can now go to a different elevation, like maybe west wall, and I can highlight the whole thing or just one particular object, and I can do all nice things like this. So these are things you can delete, by the way, just by highlighting and delete, and it's gone. If I want it again, it's right there. It's not like a very hard job. And I can take another snap right there, rename it, maybe this one here. Go rename image 2. So you can keep going on and on like that, and notice what happened when I go to the first one. I'm showing the first one second, because sometimes you want to send this to your client, so you can do it right away. This is very easy. Also, another thing I want to show you on the 3D is when you hold down, let's say, your Alt key on your keyboard and drag, notice what's going on there. You can use those also to guide you. See what I'm doing? So it tells me whether it's level or not. All I'm doing here is holding my Alt key. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.